In this tutorial, I will show you how to share your eBay listing with others through social media platforms. First, you need to log into your eBay account and access My eBay and select Selling O to view all your current eBay listings. Once you have identified the desired listing, click on it to open it. In the top right-hand corner of the listing page, click O Share, and this will open a new window where you can select how to share your listing. You may choose to share through Messenger, or you may choose to share on Facebook by clicking the corresponding button. If you select to share on Facebook, you will be redirected to a new window where you can choose to share on several options, such as your newsfeed, a friend's timeline, a group, or an event. Once you have chosen the appropriate option, enter any additional text that you want to accompany the listing in the post, and then post it. This is how you can easily share your eBay listing on social media.